Happy Prime Day, everybody. Just thought I'd drop a quick video, show you some of the deals that I found, and share the love with all of you. All right, before we get started, I just wanted to say that all these items in this video, I'll have links to down in the description. So if there's something that catches your eye, something you can't live without, go down there. There'll be a link right to it. Go get it. All right, on to the deals. First up is this nice 50-inch TV for $169, 4K. Not a bad deal. There's other sizes available. If you're in the market for one, today's the day to grab it. It's got the Amazon Fire TV built right in. So basically, you get it, you connect the Plex app, and you're good to go. If you need TV, this is the one to grab. Grab it before it's gone. Next up, we have this Ring doorbell. If you need to up your security or looking to get into some home automation, right now is the time to pick up a Ring doorbell. 50% off, only $49. Pretty good deal. All right, next up, we've got a personal Keurig. If you're like me, need your coffee in the morning, it's a great time to pick one up. And once again, all these items I'll have links to in the description, so make sure to check that out. If you're in the market for a 3D printer, today's your day to grab one. This FlashForge Adventure 5M 3D printer is 23% off today. And check out this deal, Samsung 990 EVO M2 drive for only $59. 1 terabyte not big enough for you? There's also 2 terabyte and 4 terabyte options. All great prices today, so grab one quick. That SSD drive not big enough for you? You need more storage space? Then grab this Western Digital drive. 12 terabytes for only $199. And check this out, look at the cost of the 10 terabyte. It's $40 more. So why not get the extra 2 terabytes for a cheaper price? Go grab it before it's gone. Next, if you're in the market for a new keyboard, this Logitech Prodigy keyboard is a great deal today. 34% off, it's only $39. It features light sync RGB multi-zone custom coloring. It's spill resistant, it's customizable keys. It even has dedicated multimedia keys. Grab this one before it's gone. You want to step up your activity tracker and jump up to a smartwatch? The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, it's a great deal today. 40% off, only $149. It has customizable watch faces, all your fitness tracking needs. You can track your sleep and even respond to text messages on the go. So if you're in the market, make sure to go grab this deal before it's gone. Like I said, I just wanted to make a quick video, share some of these deals with you before they're gone. I don't want any of you guys to miss out if you don't have to. Once again, all these items will be in the description. So if something caught your eye, you can just go down there, grab the link, and go. All right, now I'll let you get back to your day. Happy Prime Day.